Good morning from the Netherlands. A bit cold, but I'm getting warm of these two beauties. It's a Suzuki XN85 Turbo, 1983, and this beautiful Katana 1100, also 1983. I'm going to get the bikes out, and this afternoon we're going to make a video of a complete lineup of Suzuki Katanas. I think 6 or 7. Well, let's get it out. Heavy bikes. Yeah, do that later. And the turbo is very special. You don't see them a lot. And that's kind of the looks of a Katana. So it fits perfect in the lineup we are going to make this afternoon. Very nice bike. Top condition. Get this off. The bike has Belgian papers, 1983. Okay, so if you like the model, like turbo, well, this is a very nice one. The battery will be empty at gas, so I have to find a solution to get it started this afternoon. Okay, next one. And this weekend we are on an exhibition in the Netherlands, Central Classics. We're going to take 12 bikes. We do that every year. Okay, here he goes. Number 2. And in this color they are pretty rare. I sold one before to Malaysia in this color. Well, beautiful condition. Original exhaust on it, with the black engine and the blue top. Maybe you can show it now here. Very nice. This bike has German papers, 35,833 kilometers only. So, if you like the video, then this afternoon we make another one with, I think, 7. So keep following us. If you like the video, subscribe on the YouTube channel. And the bikes are on the website for sale. We ship worldwide. Okay, thank you for watching again. Bye bye.